For centuries, humanity gazed at the stars. We dreamed of reaching them. This ambition was long reserved for governments. Agencies like NASA led the way. They sent humans into orbit. They landed men on the moon. However, the landscape of space exploration is changing. Private companies are now entering the scene. They bring bold visions and big investments. Two names stand out: Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. They are the driving forces behind SpaceX and Blue Origin. Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, aims to colonize Mars. He sees humanity as a multi-planetary species. Bezos, the founder of Amazon, envisions a future with millions of people living and working in space. Their ambitions are reshaping the future of space travel. This is a new era of space exploration. The final frontier is no longer just a government domain, it's a playground for billionaires with stars in their eyes. SpaceX burst onto the scene with a clear goal: make space travel affordable and accessible. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, the company aimed to revolutionize the space industry. Their secret weapon? Reusable rockets. This innovation was a game changer. Traditionally, rockets were used only once, making spaceflight incredibly expensive. Each launch required a brand new rocket. Musk saw an opportunity for disruption. He envisioned a future where rockets could be reused, much like airplanes. SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket changed the game. It was designed to be partially reusable. This partially reusable rocket could land back on Earth after launching payloads into space. It was a remarkable achievement. This innovation drastically reduced the cost of spaceflight. Reusability meant fewer resources were needed for each mission. It opened up new possibilities for exploration and research. Scientists could now conduct more experiments in space. Beyond the Falcon 9, SpaceX developed the Falcon Heavy. This rocket was designed for even more ambitious missions. This behemoth is one of the most powerful rockets ever built. It can carry massive payloads into deep space. It is capable of carrying massive payloads into deep space. This capability is crucial for future missions to Mars and beyond. With the Falcon family of rockets, SpaceX has become a major player in the space industry. Their innovations have set new standards. They have secured lucrative contracts with NASA. These partnerships have further solidified their position in the industry. They are launching satellites and astronauts to the International Space Station. This marks a new era in space collaboration. SpaceX is not just dreaming of the future, they are building it, one launch at a time. Their journey is far from over. While SpaceX aimed for Mars, Blue Origin focused on a different goal: space tourism. Bezos envisioned a future where space travel is accessible to everyone. Their approach is more measured and incremental than SpaceX's. Blue Origin's first venture was the development of New Shepard. This suborbital spacecraft offers tourists a brief but breathtaking experience of space. Passengers are taken to the edge of space where they can experience weightlessness and marvel at the curvature of the Earth. However, Blue Origin has faced some setbacks. Their progress has been slower compared to SpaceX. They have yet to send humans into orbit. Despite this, Blue Origin remains a key player in the private space race. Their long-term vision includes developing a lunar lander. Blue Origin aims to contribute to NASA's Artemis program. This program plans to return humans to the moon. Blue Origin's journey to the stars is just beginning. The rivalry between Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos extends beyond Earth, reaching into the vast expanse of space. They are locked in a battle for space supremacy, each striving to outdo the other in technological advancements and groundbreaking missions. Their ambitions are fueled by their immense wealth and competitive spirits, driving them to push the boundaries of what is possible. This clash of titans has captivated the world, inspiring countless people to look up at the stars and dream of what lies beyond. The media often portrays their rivalry as a personal feud, focusing on their contrasting personalities and public statements. Headlines scream about who is winning the billionaire space race, creating a narrative of constant competition. However, this narrative oversimplifies a complex relationship, as both men share a deep passion for space exploration. While competition exists, both companies are pushing the boundaries of space exploration, making significant contributions to the field. Musk and Bezos are driven by different motivations, each with a unique vision for the future of humanity in space. Musk is focused on colonizing Mars, believing it is crucial for humanity's survival and the next step in our evolution. Bezos envisions a future where space becomes an industrial and residential zone, with millions of people living and working in orbit. Despite their different approaches, both are making significant strides in their respective fields. This competition benefits everyone, driving innovation and progress. It drives innovation and lowers the cost of space travel, making it more accessible to future generations. Ultimately, the space race is not about who wins or loses, but about the collective advancement of humanity. It is about propelling humanity towards a future among the stars, where the possibilities are limitless and the adventures are just beginning. Beyond the hype, the private space industry is not limited to SpaceX and Blue Origin. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic has also entered the fray. They focus on space tourism, offering suborbital flights aboard their Spaceship Two vehicle. Virgin Galactic's approach differs from Blue Origin's. They utilize a plane launch system. Their spacecraft is carried to a high altitude by a carrier aircraft before igniting its rocket motor. This method offers a unique and thrilling experience for space tourists. Beyond the big players, numerous smaller companies are emerging. They specialize in areas like satellite deployment, asteroid mining, and in-space manufacturing. The space industry is rapidly expanding. It is attracting entrepreneurs and investors from around the world. This diversification is crucial for the future of space exploration. It fosters competition, drives innovation, and creates a more robust and sustainable space economy. The final frontier is big enough for everyone. The more players, the faster we can unlock its potential. Section 6. SpaceX versus Blue Origin, a tale of two visions. SpaceX and Blue Origin, despite their shared goal of space exploration, have vastly different approaches. SpaceX, with its focus on Mars, embodies a bold and ambitious vision. Their mission is to make life multi-planetary. They are developing Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. This spacecraft is a game-changer in the realm of space exploration. Starship represents a revolutionary leap in space technology. It is designed to be versatile and capable of carrying out a variety of missions. It has the potential to transport hundreds of people and tons of cargo to Mars and beyond. This could pave the way for human colonization of other planets. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars, ensuring the survival of humanity beyond Earth. This vision is both daring and forward-thinking. Blue Origin, on the other hand, prioritizes a more gradual approach. They believe in building a solid foundation first. They are focused on building a spacefaring infrastructure that can support a future where millions of people live and work in space. This includes creating the necessary technology and systems. This includes developing space stations, lunar bases, and eventually, large-scale space habitats. Their vision is to make space accessible and sustainable for future generations. While SpaceX aims for the stars, Blue Origin focuses on building the stepping stones to get there. Both companies have unique and complementary visions. Both approaches are crucial for the long-term future of humanity in space. They represent different but equally important paths to the same goal. One pushes the boundaries of technology, while the other lays the foundation for a sustainable spacefaring civilization. Together, they are shaping the future of humanity in space. Section 7. The future of space exploration, collaboration or conquest. As the private space industry matures, a crucial question emerges. Will the future of space exploration be characterized by collaboration or conquest? Will companies and nations work together to explore the cosmos, or will competition dominate? There are compelling arguments for both scenarios. Collaboration fosters shared knowledge, reduces costs, and promotes peaceful exploration. International partnerships, like the International Space Station, demonstrate the potential of collaborative space endeavors. However, the lure of resources and strategic advantages could fuel competition. Space holds vast, untapped resources, and the race to claim them could lead to tension and conflict. The future likely lies somewhere in between. Collaboration and competition will coexist, shaping the landscape of space exploration. International agreements and ethical considerations will be crucial to ensure responsible and sustainable exploration for the benefit of all humankind. Section 8. A new era for humanity. Dreams of Martian cities and beyond. The rise of private space companies has ignited our collective imagination. We dream of Martian cities, lunar bases, and asteroid mines. Science fiction is slowly becoming science fact. The possibilities for humanity in space are endless. Beyond the technical challenges, we face ethical and philosophical questions. What does it mean to be a multi-planetary species? How will we govern ourselves in space? What impact will space exploration have on our planet and our society? These are not just questions for scientists and engineers. They are questions for all of humanity. As we venture further into the cosmos, we must engage in a global conversation about our place in the universe and the future we want to create. Section 9, The Final Frontier, Our Place in the Cosmos. The quest to explore space is ultimately a quest to understand ourselves. As we reach for the stars, we confront fundamental questions about our origins, our purpose, and our place in the grand scheme of things. Are we alone in the universe? What is our responsibility to other planets and celestial bodies? The answers to these questions remain elusive. However, the pursuit of those answers is what drives us forward. The exploration of space is a testament to the human spirit, our insatiable curiosity, and our unwavering desire to push the boundaries of knowledge and experience. The final frontier awaits. It is a vast and mysterious realm, filled with wonder and peril, but it is a journey we must undertake. For in exploring the cosmos, we ultimately